Hello everyone, I am Harsh Rastogi going to take a subject Industrial Pharmacy 2. In the Industrial Pharmacy 2, before starting the topics, I would like to introduce to the syllabus of Industrial Pharmacy. Basically, we will be covering 5 units. Out of that, you will become to know. After that, you will be coming to know what is industrial pharmacy. Then in unit 1, we will be covering pilot plant scale up techniques. What is pilot plant scale up techniques? How does it constituent? And then what are the different general considerations like its requirement, personal requirement, space requirement, etc. We will be going to come to know in this unit. Then you will be coming to know pilot plant scale up considerations. What are the different rules and regulations required for solid, liquid, oral, semi-solid dosage forms, and then the relevant documentation is required for pilot plant scale-up techniques like SOPAC guidelines. What are the different guidelines by which we can go for PP scale-up techniques? Then in unit second, you will be coming to know about the technology transfer and development that you may call as TTD also. Uh, Under the WHO guidelines or with the help of the WHO guidelines, we used to transfer the technology and we used to develop the technology. Once we have produced or once we have developed the technology R&D department, then how we can transfer it, how we can transfer a particular product which has been developed in R&D, how we can transfer it into production, like all the process from its raw material to its packaging and cleaning we will be covering in this second unit. Then with the help of granulation example, you will be coming to know better about TTD and then the different regulatory bodies and documentation. What are the different documentation and agencies are required for technology transfer and development? You will be going to know about that different agencies like BCIL, TBSC, SIDBI, APCTD, and then you will be coming to know confidential agreement, what is it and why we require confidential agreement, licensing, different MOUs, and the legal issues or whatever the problems are there, how to deal or tackle with them. Then you will be coming to know about the regulatory affairs. In the unit third, you will be coming to know what is a regulatory affair, then how this regulatory affairs is nowadays working in pharmaceutical industry, and how it is useful and how it is utilizing its power in pharmaceutical industry. You will be coming to know with the help of unit third. In this regulatory requirements, we have divided into two parts. In the first part, you will be coming to know that what is regulatory affairs, its history, and its constituent authorities are required for the regulatory affair department, and what are its responsibilities. You will be coming to know in the first part of unit third. Then in unit second part, you will be coming to know about regulatory requirements for drug approval, like drug development team, non-clinical drug development, pharmacology, drug metabolism, toxicology, etc. What is the role of all these terminologies in the regulatory affairs? You will be coming to know with the help of the third unit. Now you will be moved towards the unit fourth, which involve quality management system and quality risk management, sorry. So it's comes under your all ICH guidelines. So with the help of that ICH guidelines, you will be coming to know what is QMS, quality management system, and quality risk management. With the for with this entire quality management system, you will be coming to know with the brief introduction about the international standard organizations like 9000 series of quality system, 14000, and NABL and GLP. NABL, like it is a national accreditation board for testing and calibration laboratories, and GLP, like GLP, this good laboratory practices and all you will be covering in quality management system. In the entire these four units, you will be coming to know from the pilot plant scale up techniques to its technology transfer, and then in unit fifth, you will be covering about the regulatory affairs or the regulatory affair department of our country, India, like Indian regulatory requirements. You will be going to cover who used to fulfill the regulatory requirements in India, that is CDSCO. Central Standard Control Organization. You will be studying deep about CDSCO, and then you will be coming to know about the state licensing authority, its organization, responsibilities, and you will be coming to know about the COPP, that is certificate for pharmaceutical product. and then we will be moving towards the ANDA approval procedures for new drugs. So this is all about the industrial pharmacy 2 we are going to cover. In before this, in industrial pharmacy 1, you have covered so many other topics. Now in the industrial pharmacy 2, you will be covering these all the 5 units. Thank you very much.